Tired of lag ruining your League of Legends games? Let's fix that with Exitlag. First, head over to Exitlag's website. They offer a free trial so you can test it out risk-free. Click on the free trial button to begin. Now, fill out the registration form with your email and a secure password. Agree to their terms of service before clicking Create Account. Once your account is created, the download for the Exitlag software will automatically start. Just wait for it to finish. After the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Exitlag on your computer. Okay, now open up Exitlag. In the search bar, type in League of Legends. Select the League of Legends server closest to your location, then click the Optimize button. Exitlag will then find the best routes to minimize your ping. Leave Exitlag running in the background and launch League of Legends. You should notice a significant improvement in your ping. Enjoy your lag-free League of Legends. If Exitlag helps you, consider purchasing a subscription. Good luck on the Rift.